It is another interesting episode on Hamster Kombat. So today's daily combo task is to unveil 3 cards for winning 5 million coins. So let's quickly unveil the 3 cards and then claim the 5 million coins. Kindly click on daily combo tab. Alright, and the first card for today is under specials. So you click on specials tab. Meanwhile, if you've not level up on your crypto.com meta card, kindly level up at least to level 5 because the time is fast approaching. So you need to own this card. Try to level up to level 5, and as you can see, the mine per hour is quite huge. It seems to be the highest, so try the much you can to grab as much level as you can. Try the much you can to level up. If you can level up to 10, it's still okay, but at least level up to 5. Okay, so the first card for today is Sleeping Hamster. So we'll go ahead to confirm if this is the first card for today. Cool, the first card has been unveiled. The second card for today is under market. So you click on market tab, then you scroll down to X50. So that's the second card for today. You go ahead to claim it. Yeah, the card has been assembled. So the third card for today is under specials. You click on specials tab, then new cards. Okay, it's a new card. Here it is, negotiations partner. So let's go ahead to confirm if this is the third card for today. Kindly do well to click on subscribe button, like, and click on notification bell so you get update as soon as the video is uploaded. Subscription is free. Do well to support the channel by clicking on subscription button. Thank you. The prize has been claimed. Great.